Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another brand new video. And in this video we're going to be taking a look a quick market update for the Bitcoin price. And in the end of the video I'm going to be giving you two trade signal for the spot hold, and which can give up to 10 to 30% profit within next couple of weeks. So don't miss that part out. And yeah, before we get into this video, make sure that this is not a financial advice from my side. It's just my idea. Always do your own research. And yeah, before we get into this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So before we talk about those two trades that I'm going to give you in the end of the video, first let's see what we have on the Bitcoin chart. And I have drawn actually a couple of scenarios here that are going to be played out in the next couple of weeks. However, I have actually told you it's not a financial advice, it's just my idea. I will show you my complete consensus for the Bitcoin, why I am actually bullish on the Bitcoin for the Q1 or for the January or February, I would say. All right, so before we get in the actual current chart, let's see what happened in the past. So as you can see, Bitcoin is right now forming double top pattern, which is a bearish pattern, which would likely be played out something like this. All right, but when the market is bullish, so always trend is your friend. As you can see, we have double top formation here, a kind of double top formation here. But what actually happened, instead of going down something like this, Bitcoin went up and consolidating right now. So all of the stops that were here, like above the resistance area, are now stopped out or liquidated. So what I'm expecting right now, again the same, the trend is your friend. Bitcoin is right now not bearish at all. We have been consolidating in a bullish pennant triangle here. However, we are forming a double top pattern here, so Bitcoin would likely to do something like this if the bearish scenario play out. But what I'm expecting the same bullish scenario here. So what actually now the thing is when we were here, the funding rates were neutral or kind of not that positive, but we are on the just a wedge of the triangle, and the funding rates are pretty high, and I'm not expecting a quick load to the upside. Whales are not going to make you money that easy. So what I'm actually expecting from Bitcoin right now is we're gonna be keep compressing in the triangle. We're gonna see a little breakout here, all right, and then dump towards a EMA daily. Now this is an indicator you can use on your Binance or any exchange. So this is the EMA daily, right? So what I'm expecting a little breakout from here, so that breakout traders could trigger that, and they will expect BTC to consolidate above the trend line and pump towards their targets. But this is not going to happen as it is actually a really easy trade to do. So it's not that easy as you think. So what I'm expecting is a breakout of the triangle here. People will likely to buy here or long here for the target of $49,000 to $48,000. But what is going to happen instead, we're gonna go up, we're gonna give a fake out here and dump towards EMA daily and bounce back to 49,000 to 50,000 area, which is my max target for the Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks, or probably it would take a month. Right now, the other scenario we can actually see a fake out below the EMA 50 daily, all right, which is here. We're gonna go towards 39,500 to 39,400, and we're gonna trigger our buy and long hit there, and we're gonna pump towards 49,000 to 50,000, which is a 25%. So your trade idea should be like this. We're gonna enter the market around 39,600 to 39,800. Stops would be below these lows, which is around 7.5% to 8%, and we could trigger our longs towards the 50,000 to 49,000 from here. So that's what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks. However, in the second week of January, we have ETF approval decision. So if any bad decision happens or if any bad news happens, around that second week of January. So my whole confluences will be proved as wrong, and this whole idea would be invalidated. Now let's talk about those two altcoins that are my trade ideas. So the first one we have is the CVP, available on Binance. So as you can see, these are my confluences that I have drawn on my chart. We have a beautiful butterfly harmonic pattern forming on 4-hour chart, and if you have not watched my previous video regarding order blocks and how to place trades, so make sure to watch that to understand this confluence. So this is a bullish OB on the daily chart, and on the 4-hour chart we have another bullish OB here. So we have tested that OB, and now we are hovering about just above it. So the targets are mentioned on my chart. So the first target we have is the 0.4014. You can buy it around the current price and it would be 8% profit. Second target we have around 0.4646, which is around 25% profit from the current price. The third and the final target we have is 0.515, and it would be around 38 to 40% profit. And I'm expecting this setup to play out in the next couple of weeks, probably till probably in the next couple of 10 to 15 days. And we have stop loss around 0.338, which is around 9%. And so it's a pretty good RR trade we have here. And yeah, that's my first trade that I'm going to be placing today, or probably after the yearly closing, as we have yearly closing today. Next one we have is the fund. Now this coin is really going to boom in the next couple of weeks. As you can see, it just made it top around 126 satoshis, and after that it dumped around 50%. Now after the 50% dump, it has actually broken out its this trend line, which has been forming from around the 15th of December and the 14th of December. So as you can see, we have actually broken out a really great previous trend line, and it's just broke out and retested that blue support. We have a deviation below the support here. So this was basically a stop hunt below the support. So this is the token that I'm looking to buy. And if we talk about the target, so if you buy it around current price or around 670 satoshis, so the first target would be 11%. All right, second target would be around 30%. The final target would be the top, I would say, which is around 70 to around 90% profit. Now it is not a scalp trade or day trade, it is a swing trade. Both of them are swing trades, so make sure to buy it in spot and do not take any futures trade in any of them. So if you guys like my today's video, if you do, so make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And these were just my quick 2 trades that I'll be taking for the next couple of weeks in spot, as well as I gave you a quick market update. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about Bitcoin price, and what are your ideas on it. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.